Have you ever glanced at a dim corner of your home and assumed no plant could possibly survive there? Or maybe you've wanted more greenery indoors, but simply don't have enough sunlight to support most houseplants. Many people believe that all indoor plants require bright, sunny windows to thrive. Fortunately, that's not always the case. There are numerous plant species that have adapted to life in low-light environments. These resilient plants can bring color, texture, and natural beauty into spaces that receive very little sunlight. Some even help improve indoor air quality while requiring surprisingly little maintenance. Today we're looking at 10 indoor plants that can thrive with minimal sunlight. By the end of this video, you might find the perfect plant for your office, apartment, hallway, or any other dimly lit space. 1. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is one of the most dependable houseplants you can grow in low-light conditions. Its glossy, deep green leaves grow in neat rows along thick stems, creating a clean and elegant appearance that complements almost any interior design style. Whether placed in a modern office or a cozy living room, the ZZ plant adds structure and sophistication without demanding much attention. Native to Eastern Africa, this plant evolved in environments where both water and sunlight could be scarce. To survive these conditions, it developed underground rhizomes that store water and nutrients for extended periods. These natural reserves make the ZZ plant exceptionally forgiving. It can tolerate low light, dry indoor air, and occasional neglect far better than many other houseplants. In fact, overwatering is often a bigger threat than underwatering. The plant prefers well-draining soil and generally performs best when allowed to dry out between waterings. Even in dim corners where many plants would struggle, the ZZ plant continues growing steadily. Its benefits extend beyond appearance. Studies suggest that the ZZ plant may help improve indoor air quality by reducing certain airborne pollutants, making it a useful addition to enclosed living and working spaces. Several varieties are available as well. The classic green form provides a fresh, calming look, while the popular Raven ZZ plant develops dramatic dark foliage that appears nearly black, creating a striking visual contrast. More than anything, the ZZ plant represents resilience. It thrives under conditions that challenge many other plants, proving that beauty and growth can flourish even when circumstances aren't ideal. 2. Pothos. Pothos has earned a reputation as one of the toughest and most adaptable houseplants in the world. Often called devil's ivy, this trailing vine originates from the tropical forests of the Solomon Islands, where it naturally grows beneath larger plants and trees. Because of this, it has evolved to tolerate lower light levels than many indoor species. Even in rooms with limited sunlight, pothos remains healthy and attractive. Its growth may slow slightly in darker conditions, but it continues producing lush foliage, making it an excellent choice for apartments, offices, and shaded rooms. Part of its popularity comes from its variety. Golden pothos features green leaves streaked with yellow. Marble Queen displays beautiful white and green marbling. Neon pothos offers vibrant lime green foliage that seems to glow even in dim spaces. Its growth habit is equally appealing. The long vines can trail gracefully from shelves, spill from hanging baskets, or climb supports and trellises. As the plant matures, those vines can stretch several feet long, transforming simple spaces into lush displays of greenery. Pothos also contributes to healthier indoor environments. Research has shown that it can help remove pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and toluene from indoor air, making it both decorative and practical. Caring for pothos is remarkably simple. It tolerates occasional missed waterings and adapts to a wide range of indoor conditions. Allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings generally produces the healthiest growth. Another reason gardeners love pothos is its ability to propagate easily. A simple cutting placed in water can develop roots within weeks, allowing one plant to become many. This makes it an affordable way to expand your indoor garden or share plants with friends and family. Whether hanging, climbing, or cascading from a shelf, pothos proves that low-light spaces can still feel vibrant, green, and full of life. 3. Peace. Lily. Peace lilies are often considered one of the best flowering plants for low-light environments. Their combination of glossy green foliage and elegant white blooms creates a timeless look that brings freshness and sophistication to almost any room. Unlike many flowering houseplants that require abundant sunlight, Peace lilies can continue producing their signature blooms even in areas with limited natural light. Native to tropical regions, they naturally grow beneath forest canopies where direct sunlight is filtered by larger plants. This adaptation allows them to thrive indoors where lighting conditions may be less than ideal. One of their greatest strengths is their ability to improve indoor air quality. Studies have shown that peace lilies can help reduce common indoor pollutants, including benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and ammonia. They may also help reduce airborne mold spores, making them particularly useful in bathrooms and other humid spaces. Their care requirements are straightforward. Peace lilies prefer soil that remains lightly moist but not soggy. One of their most convenient features is that they clearly signal when they need water. Their leaves begin to droop when thirsty and quickly recover once watered. This natural feedback makes them easier to care for than many people expect. Occasional feeding during the growing season helps encourage fuller foliage and more frequent blooms. They also appreciate moderate humidity, which can be provided through misting or by placing them near a humidifier. The iconic white structures commonly called flowers are actually modified leaves known as spathes that surround a central flowering spike. These blooms can last for weeks and often appear multiple times throughout the year. Their bright white color contrasts beautifully against the deep green foliage, creating a peaceful and elegant display. Beyond aesthetics, indoor plants are often associated with reduced stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of well-being. A peace lily can help transform a room into a calmer and more welcoming environment. With graceful blooms, easy care requirements, and impressive air-purifying abilities, peace lilies demonstrate that even low-light spaces can be filled with beauty, life, and natural elegance. 4. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant has earned its name for a reason. Tough, dependable, and remarkably resilient, it is one of the easiest plants to grow in low-light environments. Native to the shaded forests of East Asia, this plant evolved beneath dense tree canopies where sunlight is limited. As a result, it adapts exceptionally well to indoor spaces that receive little natural light. Its long, dark green leaves are thick, glossy, and durable, adding texture and elegance to any room. The rich foliage creates a calm, grounded atmosphere while requiring very little attention from the owner. One of the cast iron plant's greatest strengths is its ability to tolerate conditions that would stress many other houseplants. It handles low light, dry indoor air, fluctuating temperatures, and occasional neglect with ease. Although it grows slowly, it does so consistently. Over time, it develops into a beautiful, long-lasting plant that can thrive for decades with minimal care. Its watering needs are simple. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings and avoid keeping the roots constantly wet. Well-draining soil helps maintain healthy growth and prevents common problems associated with overwatering. Because of its durability, the cast iron plant is often recommended for beginners, busy professionals, and anyone looking for a low-maintenance indoor plant. It may not grow quickly or produce dramatic flowers, but its quiet reliability is exactly what makes it so appealing. The cast iron plant proves that strength and beauty can go hand in hand, even in the darkest corners of a home. 5. Philodendron. Philodendrons have been popular houseplants for generations, and it's easy to understand why. Known for their adaptability, attractive foliage, and low-maintenance nature, these tropical plants thrive in conditions where many others struggle. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, philodendrons naturally grow beneath dense canopies, making them well-suited to indoor spaces with limited sunlight. One of the most beloved varieties is the heartleaf philodendron. Its long, trailing vines can spill from shelves, hang gracefully from baskets, or climb supports, bringing softness and greenery into a room. Larger varieties offer bold, dramatic leaves that instantly become focal points in interior spaces. In addition to their beauty, philodendrons may help improve indoor air quality by filtering certain airborne pollutants, creating a fresher and more comfortable environment. Their care requirements are refreshingly simple. Water when the top layer of soil becomes dry, provide occasional feeding during the growing season, and avoid excessive direct sunlight. Even in lower light conditions, philodendrons remain healthy and attractive, though growth may be somewhat slower. Their versatility makes them ideal for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. Whether trailing from a shelf, climbing a support, or standing proudly in a decorative pot, philodendrons bring a lush tropical feel to almost any indoor space. They demonstrate that even rooms with limited sunlight can be transformed into vibrant, welcoming environments. 6. Spider plant. Spider plants are among the most cheerful and adaptable houseplants you can grow indoors. Originally native to South Africa, they have become popular worldwide because of their resilience, easy care, and lively appearance. Their long arching leaves, often striped with shades of green and white, add movement and brightness to any room. Spider plants perform well in low to moderate light, making them ideal for homes, offices, and apartments where direct sunlight may be limited. While brighter light can encourage faster growth, they remain healthy and attractive even in partially shaded locations. One of their most distinctive features is the production of small plantlets, often called babies, that hang gracefully from the parent plant. These offshoots can be easily rooted and grown into new plants, making spider plants one of the easiest houseplants to propagate. They also offer practical benefits. Studies have shown that spider plants can help remove certain indoor pollutants, including formaldehyde and xylene, contributing to a cleaner indoor environment. Caring for them is straightforward. They prefer well-draining soil and moderate watering, with the soil allowed to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering should be avoided to protect the roots. Occasional trimming of brown leaf tips and light fertilization during the growing season can help keep the plant looking its best. Whether displayed in a hanging basket, placed on a shelf, or used as a desktop plant, spider plants bring energy, texture, and freshness to indoor spaces. Their combination of beauty, resilience, and easy propagation makes them one of the most rewarding plants for low-light environments. 7. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreens are among the most reliable houseplants for low-light spaces. Native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, they naturally grow beneath dense tree canopies, allowing them to thrive where many other plants would struggle. One of their greatest attractions is their colorful foliage. Depending on the variety, the leaves may feature shades of deep green, silver, cream, pink, or red. These striking patterns help brighten dim corners and add visual interest to rooms with limited natural light. Popular varieties such as red Siam display vibrant red accents, while Silver Bay offers softer silvery green tones that blend beautifully with modern interiors. Their appeal goes beyond appearance. Chinese evergreens are also known for helping improve indoor air quality by filtering common pollutants such as benzene and formaldehyde. This makes them both decorative and functional additions to homes and offices. They are exceptionally forgiving plants. Chinese evergreens tolerate occasional mist waterings, low humidity, and varying indoor conditions with ease. While they appreciate some indirect light, they remain healthy in shaded locations where many plants fail to thrive. Their slow growth and low-maintenance nature make them perfect for beginners as well as experienced plant owners. Combining beauty, durability, and practicality, Chinese evergreens prove that low-light spaces can still be vibrant and full of life. 8. Snake plant. Few houseplants are as tough and dependable as the snake plant. Native to the dry regions of West Africa, this plant evolved to survive challenging conditions, making it one of the easiest indoor plants to care for. Its tall, upright leaves store water within their thick tissues, allowing the plant to tolerate long periods without watering. This natural resilience makes it ideal for busy households, offices, and anyone looking for a low-maintenance plant. Snake plants are also valued for their air-purifying abilities. They can help remove pollutants such as benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene from indoor environments. Unlike many plants, they continue releasing oxygen at night, which is one reason they are often recommended for bedrooms. Their care requirements are remarkably simple. Snake plants tolerate both low light and bright indirect light, requiring only occasional watering. In fact, overwatering is usually the biggest mistake people make. From a design perspective, their strong vertical form adds structure and balance to any room. Whether placed in a floor planner, grouped with other plants, or displayed as a standalone feature, snake plants create a clean and modern look. Popular varieties include Laurenti with yellow-edged leaves, compact honey, and the silvery green moonshine variety. Tough, adaptable, and visually striking, snake plants are living proof that some of the most resilient plants are also among the most attractive. 9. Dracaena. Dracaena is a versatile and elegant houseplant that adapts exceptionally well to indoor environments with limited sunlight. Native to tropical regions of Africa and Asia, it naturally grows beneath taller vegetation, making it comfortable in lower light conditions. One of its biggest advantages is variety. Different Dracaena species offer unique shapes, colors, and textures. Some feature narrow, upright leaves, while others display bold stripes or colorful variegation. Popular choices include Marginata with its red-edged foliage, Masangiana with a yellow center stripe, and Lemon Lime with vibrant green tones. These different forms make Dracaena suitable for almost any interior style, whether used as a floor plant, tabletop accent, or part of a larger indoor garden. Like many low-light plants, Dracaena also contributes to cleaner indoor air by helping filter pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Its care requirements are straightforward. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Growth is relatively slow, meaning it maintains its shape with minimal pruning. With its graceful appearance, durability, and adaptability, Dracaena brings beauty and structure to spaces that receive very little natural light. 10. Parlor Palm. Parlor palms have been favorite indoor plants for generations, thanks to their elegant appearance and ability to thrive in low-light conditions. Native to the shaded forests of Central America, they naturally grow beneath larger trees, making them perfectly adapted to indoor environments where sunlight is limited. Their soft, feathery fronds arch gently outward, adding texture, movement, and a relaxing tropical feel to any room. Because they remain relatively compact, they work well on tabletops, plant stands, floors, or in decorative containers. Beyond their visual appeal, parlor palms can also help improve indoor air quality by absorbing certain pollutants while releasing oxygen into the surrounding environment. Fortunately, they are easy to care for. They prefer well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the surface of the soil to dry slightly before watering again. While they tolerate low light extremely well, occasional indirect sunlight can encourage fuller growth. Parlor palms grow slowly but steadily and can remain attractive for many years with minimal care. Their graceful foliage, adaptability, and timeless charm make them one of the best choices for bringing greenery into darker indoor spaces. They serve as a reminder that even the quietest corners of a home can be transformed by a touch of living green.